Hello, hello, and welcome to Fictional Elements with Miss Wills. We're going to really focus on plot today and talk about a few other fictional elements as well. So first, with the plot is basically the story. It's everything that happens in this fictional story, in this story that isn't real. So, it starts with the exposition. Your exposition's going to introduce you to the story, the characters, the setting, everything like that. Then you've got your rising action. This is the part where the conflict is introduced. What is the problem in the story? What's the big issue that the main character is having to face? Then there's the climax. The climax is the turning point in the story. When do things change? It's the point that builds up all of that tension. And it's the highest point of tension in the story. After that, you've got the falling action. It includes the events after the climax. What happens as a result of the climax? What did the climax cause? And finally, you've got your resolution. Sometimes it's called denouement. The resolution is the end of the story. How is the conflict resolved in the end? Does everybody live happily ever after? Or does everybody go their separate ways? Next, we're going to talk about theme. Theme is the central message in a story. What is the author really trying to get across? So for example, in Rio 2, the theme in that story is that family is very important. Family sticks together. Then you've got your setting. Your setting is where everything takes place. What's the weather like? Is it raining? Is it sunny? Is it hot? Is it cold? What's it like? Not only that, what is the actual atmosphere like? What do the buildings look like? What is the ground made of? What is it? Dirt? Is it asphalt? What is it? The setting of it can tell you a lot about a story. And then finally, you gotta love them, the characters. The characters are the ones in the stories that you just kind of fall in love with. And some villain characters you love to hate. For example, Loki would be a character from the Avengers and from Thor. So that's basically it, guys. So here's what I want you to do. I'm going to send you on a video quest. So comments are about to pop up on the video, and I want you to click which one you think is the correct answer. If it's right, great. You'll go on to the next step. If it's wrong, you got to go back and do it again. So really try on this. And guys, I can tell by the number of views how you're doing. So enjoy your video quest, and I'll see you at the end.